Dear students, today we will discuss about types of hybridization. Last day we were discussing about hybridization, conditions for formation of hybrid orbitals, etc. And last day we have also discussed about the types of hybridization also. Today we will discuss about types of hybridization. Hybridization. Types of hybridization. As we already know that intermixing of atomic orbitals are amalgamation of atomic orbitals having equal energy level and form a set of new hybrid orbital is known as a hybridization. Shape of hybrid orbital is just like to the shape of p orbital. I have already told to you. Shape of hybrid orbital is just like to the shape of p orbital. Number of hybrid orbitals is equal to the number of atomic orbitals taking parts in hybridization. Hybridization occurs when covalent bond formation takes place. Hybridization occurs instantly when covalent bond formation takes place. It is not necessary that only unpaired atomic orbitals takes part in hybridization. Even paired atomic orbitals can also take part in hybridization. Later on we will see different types of compounds in which atoms have a paired electrons and that atomic orbital also takes part in hybridization. So now here we are going to discuss about types of hybridization. I have already told to you different types of hybridization takes place, like one is the sp hybridization. sp hybridization I have already told to you. One is sp hybridization, second one is the sp2 type of hybridization, third one is the sp3 type of hybridization, and fourth one is the sp3d type of hybridization, fifth one is the sp3d2 type of hybridization, and sixth one is the sp3d3 type of hybridization. These are types of hybridization. Here, when one s and one p orbital intermix together, then they form sp type of hybridization. And when one s and two p orbitals intermix together, then they show sp2 type of hybridization. When one s and three p orbital intermix, that is sp3. When one s, three p, and one d atomic orbital intermix together, then they form sp3d type of hybridization. When one s, three p, and two d atomic orbitals intermix together, then they show sp3d2 type of hybridization. And when 1s, 3p, and 3d atomic orbitals intermix together, then they show sp3d3 type of hybridization. Now, we will discuss such type of hybridization one by one. Types of hybridization. Types of hybridization. First is the sp type of hybridization. When one s and one p atomic orbitals intermix together, then they form sp type of hybridization. When one s and one p atomic orbital intermix together, then they form sp type of hybridization. For example, if BeCl2 is taken, beryllium chloride is taken. In formation of beryllium chloride, in between beryllium and chlorine, covalent bond is formed. Now, atomic number of beryllium is 4. Atomic number of beryllium is 4, and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. 2p is also present, but that is infertile. Now, in ground state, 2 electrons are present in s orbital of valence shell, and 2p is totally vacant. 2s, px, py, and pz. 2p is totally vacant. Now, this one is the ground state. This one is the ground state. In excited state, what happened? In excited state, one electron is jumped from this to this. 2s, 2p means px, py, and pz. So here, one electron in 2s and one electron in px of 2p. Overlap together due to formation of covalent bond, and in this way 2 hybrid orbital will form. Means ki 2s and 2p orbital, electron of 2s and 2p orbital start sharing to each other due to overlapping of these atomic orbitals, and in this way BeCl2 will form. So after hybridization, here what happens? sp type of hybridization takes place. 2 hybrid orbital is formed like this. This one is 2 hybrid orbital. This one is the one, and this one is the second. Now, p orbital of chlorine start overlapping with these hybrid orbitals. Here 2 chlorine atoms are present, and p orbitals of these chlorine atom overlap with these hybrid orbitals. This one is the Cl, and here this one is also Cl, and in this way covalent bond will form. This one is the beryllium, BeCl, Cl. Bond angle is 180 degree. This one is the linear structure. This one is linear structure. So it is a BeCl2, beryllium chloride, which show sp type of hybridization. Now, next type of hybridization is sp2. Next is the sp2. Next one is the sp2. Second type is the sp2. sp2 type of hybridization. When 1s and 2p orbital, when 1s and 2p atomic orbitals intermix together, then they show sp2 type of hybridization. When 1s and 2p orbitals intermix together, then they show sp2 type of hybridization. For example, if BF3 is taken, if boron trifluoride is taken, in which boron have a 5 electrons, atomic number of boron is 5. So now electronic configuration is 1s2, 2st, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p, but this one is the electronic configuration of boron. In valence shell, 3 electrons are present, 2 electron in 2s and 1 electron of 2p. So now what happened? 2 electron here and 1 electron here. This one is the ground state. This one is the ground state. Now in excited state, what happened? 1 electron jump from 2s to 2p. 1 electron jump from 2s to 2p. Now 2 unpaired electrons are present in 2p, 2s, 2p. In this way, 1 orbital of s and 2 orbital of p intermix together to show sp2 type of hybridization. Now here 3 hybrid orbitals are formed. Then what happened? Here 3 hybrid orbitals are formed. These are 3 hybrid orbitals of boron, and these 3 orbitals of boron overlap with 3 fluorine atoms and form trigonal planar structure. Fluorine, and this one is the fluorine. Now, boron BF3 have a trigonal planar structure. 120 degree. Each bond angle is 120 degree. It is a trigonal planar structure. So this one is the sp2 type of hybridization. Best example of sp2 type of hybridization is BF3. BF3 is best example in which sp2 type of hybridization takes place, and BF3 have a trigonal planar structure. Now next type of hybridization is sp3. In such type of hybridization, 1s and 3p orbitals intermix together. When 1s and 3p orbitals intermix together, then they show sp3 type of hybridization. It has a tetrahedral or pyramidal structure. For example, if methane is taken, CH4 is taken, then what happens? Atomic number of carbon is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Atomic number of carbon is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now what happened? 2 electron, and in p 2 electrons are present. One is empty. This one is the ground state. Now in excited state, what happened? 1 electron here, and 1 electron jump from this to this orbital. Now 2s and 2p orbital. Intermix together, 2s and 2p orbital. 1 orbital of s and 3 orbital of p intermix together to show sp3 type of hybridization. four hybrid orbitals will form. These are four hybrid orbitals. Four hybrid orbitals will form, and these four hybrid orbitals overlap with four hydrogen atom. Means s orbital of hydrogen atom overlap with these four hybrid orbitals. And in this way, CH4 have a tetrahedral structure. CH4 have a tetrahedral structure. CH4 have a tetrahedral structure like this. H, 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 H. Bond angle is 109 degree, 28 minutes. It is a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Now, if ammonia is taken, in ammonia nitrogen have a sp3 type of hybridization. In ammonia nitrogen have a sp3 type of hybridization. If ammonia is taken, NH3 ammonia is taken, then what happens? Nitrogen have a 7 electrons. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here 2 electrons are present in 2s, and in 2p each orbital have a 1 electrons. In this way, 2s orbital and 3 orbital of 2p intermix together to show sp3 type of hybridization. Here in 2s orbital paired electrons are present. Now what happened? Four hybrid orbitals will form like this. 4 hybrid orbitals. Here one lone pair electron is present. Lone pair means unshared pair of electron. Means electron which cannot participate in bonding. Now, with 3 hybrid orbitals in which one unpaired electrons are present, 3 hydrogen atoms overlap. One hydrogen atom, another second hydrogen atom, and this one the hydrogen atom. In this way, 3 sigma bond will form, and ammonia have a pyramidal structure due to presence of lone pair electron. Ammonia have a pyramidal structure like this. Hydrogen, one lone pair, hydrogen, hydrogen, and one more hydrogen. This one is the lone pair electron. Bond angle is 106.7 degree. It has a pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure. If water molecule is taken, if water molecule H2 is taken, As example, if S2 is taken, then what happen? In H2O, oxygen have a 2 lone pair electron. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p4. Now in ground state 2 electrons are here, means 2s, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means ki 2s orbital is paired, and here one orbital of 2p is also paired. This one is also paired. Now 2s and 3p orbital intermix together, in which two orbitals are paired. So it's so sp3 type of hybridization. 4 hybrid orbital will form, in which two hybrid orbitals are paired like this. This one is paired, this one is paired, and with two unpaired hybrid orbitals, two hydrogen atoms are overlap like this sigma, this sigma. Now what happened? Oxygen one lone, H, and H bond angle is 104.5 degree. 104.5 degree. Due to presence of lone pair, two lone pair electron, this structure is distorted and bond angle is 104.5 degree. This one is also sp3 type of hybridization.